Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called ProfitTurbo, which is a brand new AI software that creates done for you ebook shop and ChatGPT-Turbo content writer in one and helps you to make huge profits daily. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Welcome to ProfitTurbo, the first ever app that gives you instant access to tens of thousands of ebooks and provides an all-in-one shop on autopilot that allows you to start immediately selling them to your customers. And here we can see the shop, we can see over 40 different categories, and we can see that we've imported one of our built-in ebooks. We can click on it, we can have a look through it, see if there were any reviews added to our cart, and once it's been added, we can check it out in our cart and then proceed to checkout. All of this can be modified and personalized alongside 10 other themes that you can use for your stores to make sure it fits your needs. So you're not only restricted to ebooks. So let's jump in the backend and see what it all looks like. This is your ProfitTurbo dashboard. Here you can see your store, which has an automated QR code generated for it, as well as a store link. You can quickly add a product here and you can see all of your statistics on the dashboard. If we want to quickly add a new product, we can either add our own product following these informations here, or we can just import our ebook by searching for content. So for example, we can do how to become an alpha male, and we have the book right here and we can just import it. It will import everything here. After selecting the stock quantity, however many we want, and a price, we can just add it and it will be right there for you to see. And surely enough, if we reload the page, we'll see it right here. We'll be able to add it, we'll be able to select the category and make sure it shows only in that category. And it's that easy, so you can search by content instead of just by ebook titles. You can be sure that you can find the exact ebook that you want for your store. You have over 40 different categories available, but you can modify them as you see fit. You can add product tags, product coupon. You can have subscribers for your store that pay a monthly fee and get access to your products. You can establish shipping if you want to do any other products apart from our built-in ebooks. You can create custom pages, you can create a blog, so you can make sure that your store has the exact modifications that you want for your customers. What's more, you'll be able to see all of them right here, and then you'll be able to modify your store according to any of the theme settings that we have. You can do any brand settings to make sure it fits your brand, change the colors, change the name, change the email. You can have a store link that's directly related to our domain, or you can have your own domain if you want to make sure that you completely own your store. Payment settings, we have over 15 different processors that you can access. Email settings to create your own, to send your own emails to your customers, message them through WhatsApp directly from ProfitTurbo's interface, or just integrate Twilio and send them SMS messages immediately. And the best thing about ProfitTurbo is that you don't need to add any descriptions or product titles yourself. We have an integrated AI writer that writes all of these descriptions for you. So if we want to say, for example, so we've just asked it to give us a description for the ebook we've just added. And if we just give it some time now, it will generate this perfect ebook description that we can just copy go back to our products, and then just add it here. Save. And now if we reload the page and we go over to our Alpha Mail book, we'll see the description right here, which is perfect. So ProfitTurbo gives you access to a virtually unlimited pool of ebooks that you can immediately import from ProfitTurbo directly, no need to download anything. It allows you to add any type of products, be it offline, built-in ebooks, or anything else you want, so it doesn't restrict you to anything. You have unlimited categories and unlimited modification possibilities for ProfitTurbo stores. You can add your own custom domain or use a subdomain for ProfitTurbo. And what's best, you own your app. So that means you have full access and only you have access to your customers, to your store settings, logos, brands, anything you want. And to top it all off, you have your own personal AI writer that has been trained on giving product descriptions for ProfitTurbo. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.